everyone, my name is Dr. Shreya Joshi and I am a physiotherapist. In this video, I am going to demonstrate some of the breathing exercise which will help improve the oxygen levels, air exchange and lung capacity in the patients who are suffering from COVID, those who have already suffered and normal individuals. As we all know, in the second wave, people are literally struggling to find hospital beds and ventilators. So with the help of these at least basic exercise, we can prevent hospitalization and prevent the complications of COVID like the pneumonia. Alright, so first exercise is lying on the stomach. You will need 3 pillows for this. One under your head, one under your stomach and one under your leg. You have to sleep like this for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour to improve the O2 levels and air exchange. You can also perform deep breathing while doing this and relax yourself. You can also keep your hands like this alternate or like this. Second is the deep breathing exercise where you have to inhale through your nose such that you have to expand your chest and take in a deep breath and exhale slowly through your mouth, keeping the lips pursed or in a pouted position like this. But exhale slowly. You can perform these exercises 5 to 6 times and then relax. Also, along with these exercises, you can combine shoulder movements but with good coordination of breathing in and breathing out. While you raise your arms up, you have to breathe in, and while you bring your arms down, you have to breathe out. I'll demonstrate. Similarly, also some patients might face difficulty in breathing even after walking for a small distance or after getting up and sitting down. For them, just sit, relax and bend forward and exhale as if you are blowing a candle like this. Just sit and calm down. Or else you can also keep your one hand over your chest and the other on your stomach, and make sure you pay attention to your breathing and calm down. While you breathe in, your hands should go out, and while you breathe out, your hands should sink in like this. It should be relaxed and comfortable breathing. Some patients might have moist cough or secretions, that is sputum, which might be blocking the airway and thus preventing the air exchange. So for them, you perform 5 to 6 deep breathing exercise and then huff as if you are fogging on a speck, and then try to cough and remove the secretion out by doing this like this. And try to spit it out. While performing these exercises, you might feel like coughing because the air going inside loosens and mobilizes the secretion. But don't worry, spit out as much as secretion as you can so that your chest becomes clear. Indeed, go on your knees and then come over your elbows. Take a deep breath, and while going down, you have to cough forcefully so that secretions come, and then you can spit out like this. Perform these exercises mainly in the morning and at night before sleeping so that you can clear your chest and open up your airways, which will in turn improve your oxygen levels, and also during the day with proper break times in between. Lastly, please don't panic. Stay mentally strong, spread positivity and boost up your moral and willpower, because we all are in this together and we will fight it. Spread this message to as many as possible, because you can save many lives. There is severe crisis out there and people are literally fighting for oxygen. So please contribute from your side, perform it and save the oxygen for the real needy ones. Take care, stay happy, stay healthy, wear mask, keep social distancing and please get vaccinated. Take care.